Have you ever looked up at the night sky and felt completely insignificant? I remember the first time I truly comprehended how vast the universe is. I was 15, lying on my back in an open field far from city lights, seeing the Milky Way clearly for the first time. It wasn't just an image in an astronomy textbook, it was real, and it made me feel infinitely small. But then another thought struck me. How can this tiny lump of neural tissue inside my skull look out into the night and comprehend the cosmos itself? How can matter experience wonder? That night, I realized the universe isn't just vast, it is deeply, fundamentally mysterious. Today, we're going to explore 5 scientific mysteries that completely defy classical logic. These are profound questions that have stumped history's greatest minds, and we still don't have complete answers. Let me walk you through them. Secret number 1. The hard problem of consciousness. Let's begin with the most intimate mystery of all, subjective consciousness. What is it? I'm not asking what computational functions the brain performs. I'm asking why there is an internal, subjective feeling to being alive. Coined by philosopher David Chalmers, this is called the hard problem of consciousness. Science can map how electrical signals travel along axons, how neurotransmitters cross synapses, and how memories consolidate. Yet, it cannot explain why neural activity generates subjective experiences like feeling pain, seeing colors, or experiencing joy. Why aren't we just complex biological automata processing information in total internal darkness? Consciousness is the single thing we know with absolute certainty exists, as Descartes famously noted. Yet it is completely unobservable from the outside. A researcher can scan your brain and measure blood flow, but they can never directly observe what it actually feels like to be you. Neuroscientists generally divide into different camps regarding this enigma. Materialists argue that consciousness is an emergent property of complex information processing, that if you network enough biological neurons together, subjective awareness simply emerges. Conversely, panpsychists suggest that consciousness is a fundamental building block of reality, existing alongside mass and electrical charge. Meanwhile, illusionists argue that subjective experience is merely a clever trick engineered by the brain to track internal states. Ultimately, consciousness remains a profound wall where biology, physics, and philosophy collide. Secret number 2. The observer effect in quantum mechanics. Now, let's step into the subatomic realm of quantum mechanics. At the quantum scale, matter behaves in ways that blatantly contradict our everyday experience. Subatomic particles like electrons can exist in multiple states simultaneously, occupying several places at once as wave functions of probability. However, the moment a measurement or observation occurs, that wave function collapses into a single, definite reality. This phenomenon is known as the observer effect. The classic double-slit experiment demonstrates this bizarre behavior perfectly. When electrons are fired through 2 narrow slits without monitoring which slit they pass through, they behave like waves, creating an interference pattern on the detector screen. But when physicists place detectors at the slits to observe which path each electron takes, the electrons suddenly act like physical particles, and the interference pattern disappears. The simple act of measurement changes physical reality. Physicist John Wheeler proposed that we inhabit a participatory universe, where observation is an active requirement to solidify physical events. Delayed choice quantum experiments even suggest a form of retrocausality, where observation choices made in the present seem to determine whether a particle behaved as a wave or a particle in the past. Quantum mechanics forces us to confront an unsettling question. Does an objective, unobserved reality exist independent of conscious measurement, or is observation fundamentally woven into the fabric of existence? Secret number 3. The origin of life. Next, let's travel back roughly 3.8 billion years to examine the origin of life on Earth. We know that life emerged relatively quickly after the young planet cooled down and liquid oceans stabilized. However, the transition from inanimate organic chemistry to self-sustaining biological life, abiogenesis, remains one of science's greatest cold cases. In 1952, the famous Miller-Urey experiment demonstrated that passing electrical sparks through primitive gases could spontaneously create amino acids, the basic building blocks of proteins. But assembling amino acids into a living, self-replicating cell is a monumental leap. Living systems require three intertwined components: a protective membrane, metabolic pathways to harvest energy, and genetic material like DNA or RNA to store complex information. This creates a classic biological paradox. To build proteins, a cell needs instructions from DNA. But to replicate DNA, a cell requires functional protein enzymes, which evolved first. This dilemma led to the RNA world hypothesis, proposing that early life relied on RNA molecules capable of both storing genetic data and catalyzing chemical reactions. Other researchers hypothesize that life originated deep underwater near hydrothermal vents, where mineral-rich chimneys provided chemical energy and physical shelter. Despite decades of advanced biochemistry, scientists have never successfully synthesized a living, self-replicating cell from scratch, keeping the ultimate origin of life an open mystery. Secret number 4: dark matter and dark energy. When we zoom out to cosmic scales, astrophysics presents an astonishing truth. Everything we can directly observe, stars, planets, gas clouds, and galaxies, accounts for only 5% of the total universe. The remaining 95% consists of two completely invisible components known as dark matter and dark energy. Dark matter accounts for roughly 27% of the cosmos. We know it exists because, without its extra gravitational pull, fast-rotating spiral galaxies would fly apart and galaxy clusters couldn't hold together. Gravitational lensing experiments clearly show massive gravitational fields where no visible light exists. Yet, despite building sensitive detectors deep underground and colliding particles in giant accelerators, we have never directly detected a dark matter particle. Dark energy is even more perplexing, comprising about 68% of the universe. In 1998, astronomers measuring distant supernovae discovered that the expansion of the universe isn't slowing down under gravity, it is accelerating. Dark energy acts as a repulsive cosmic force, pushing space apart. When theoretical physicists calculate the expected energy density of empty space using quantum field theory, the mathematical prediction is off by 120 orders of magnitude, widely considered the worst theoretical prediction in physics history. We are essentially living in a universe where 95% of reality remains completely unidentified. Secret number 5: the nature of time. Finally, let's look at the mystery of time. We experience time as a continuous forward flow. Seconds turn into minutes, memories accumulate, and we age. Yet, when you examine the fundamental equations of classical and quantum physics, they are almost entirely time-symmetric. The basic laws of nature work identically whether time moves forward or backward. So, why does time possess an irreversible direction? Physicists attribute this arrow of time to the second law of thermodynamics, which dictates that entropy, the measure of disorder in a closed system, must always increase over time. The universe began in a state of extraordinarily low entropy during the Big Bang and has been unfolding toward higher disorder ever since. Furthermore, Albert Einstein's theory of relativity disrupted our intuitive understanding of time by merging it with space into a four-dimensional space-time continuum. In relativity, time is malleable. Gravity and high velocities slow the passage of time down relative to other observers. This leads to the block universe theory, where past, present, and future exist simultaneously as static points in four-dimensional space. As Einstein once remarked, the distinction between past, present, and future may simply be a stubbornly persistent illusion created by human perception. These 5 mysteries, consciousness, quantum measurement, abiogenesis, dark cosmos, and the arrow of time, highlight the edge of human understanding. They demonstrate that despite our technological advancements, reality remains wonderfully incomplete and full of discovery. We aren't just passive observers in this cosmos. We are the universe waking up to ask questions about itself. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the mysteries of science, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an episode. Special thanks to our supporters: Sarah J., Mike R., Emma W., Carlos M., and Alex K. Your generous support makes these scientific investigations possible every single week. Thank you so much for watching, stay curious, and I will see you in the very next video.